Hi everybody. So I'm going to showcase this is a clip. I'm going to showcase the project that we've been working on for Cognixia. Um, it was an AWS project, so it was a Java-based kind of web app. So I just opened Eclipse. This is our application.properties. I guess, as you can see, our server port is open. We got our databases. Uh, Here's our cores config. Our accounts controller class. We have our car controller class as well, and our accounts.java class. So next I'm gonna show you some of the stuff in AWS. Okay, so here's our AWS. We have our EC2, RDS, S3, and Elastic Beanstalk. Yeah, I really need to pause to stop take the Elastic Beanstalk off. Yeah. I didn't realize it went up that much, so I need to pause it. But we do have because we have a lot of instances running. We have our EC2. We have two EC2s, two S3s, and Elastic Beanstalk with a Elastic IP address. So we'll need to stop. We'll need to stop that before we go. This is a lot. So yeah, I need to stop those instances. So I'll demo the website before I take it down. So this is our which one is this gangsta app right here. As you can see, we have our public IPv4 address, our private class 2 IPv4 address as well. Here's our RDS, our database instance. This database 3 is the one that's running currently. As you see, currently has 10 connections. We have our S3. Here's the Elastic Beanstalk. We have our 4 versions, right? So this is the current version of the application. Let me see if I can find this is the URL. So we click it and it shows the site. So you see API cars. You can see all the cars that we have currently in the database. Oh, yeah, somebody added somebody added the Ford car, green, blah blah blah. Yeah, so we have all the cars that we added in the database. Now I'm just showing our Elastic IP address. Don't DDoS us, please. All right. So I unpause the video now. I'm showing our AWS database right here on AWS. We select star from accounts. Select star from account. Oh, use Capstone DB. Select star from accounts. These are the accounts that you just saw in the database, right? Select star from cars. Yeah, all the stuff that were in the database before. I'm going to open Postman and show some stuff as well. Okay, Postman. Okay, we got Postman running. So we got create an account. I won't run it, but I ran this stuff before. It's connecting to the database, create an account. Reading all cars is the same one that I did in the browser. Create a new car right here. And I'll pause the video and I'll show the front end now. Okay, so I have the link for the front end right here. So I'm going to copy this, right? And I'm going to paste it in like just a browser or something. Yeah, just paste it here. Okay, so here's our website, right? We can register, log in, see the cars for sale. We got all those profile. We can find users, sell cars, update sale information. So let's register and wait. Find users. Let me make sure. Okay. I'm gonna find users. I'll say, I don't know, the boss. Boss at yahoo.com. Enter username is I don't know, boss 123. Password sign up, right? It says access denied, but you'll see it has the information. Find users. Uh-oh. I guess that part didn't work. I know we can add a car, I think. We can sell a car, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make Toyota. Prius. Vehicle type. Hybrid. Vehicle year. 20. 20, I guess. Color. Black. I said mileage, maybe 10,000. Selling price 15,000, I guess. Registered vehicle. I clicked it, so it should. Let's see, cars for sale. Yeah, it's in there. So that part does work. So that's our application. It's hosted on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. It's pretty expensive, but it has a lot of redundancy. We also have a primary database and a backup database as well. So we got a lot of stuff running. So it can be like to run the site's around like $20 a month. So it was a group project. We did there was about 4 to 5 people. We only had 1 week to do it, so we got a lot done. So thanks for listening, and I hope you like it. You like my application. Just feel free to hit me up on LinkedIn or whatever, or in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for listening.